is needed by somebody. Hi, good afternoon. So, have you become somebody who is needed by somebody else, or you are truly you are? So, here are the 5 points that we'll be discussing today: the silent achievement, the stabilization trap, the body knows first, the cost of adaptation, and the inner shift. These are the phases you will be going through. So this is your, are you playing a puppet, or you are moving towards where you truly will be? So let us discuss about this thing. The silent achievement. Your thought movement should be, I didn't fail. I just disappeared from yourself. The story opens not with crisis, but with competence. Life works. You are trusted, needed, valued. You are, and yet there is a quiet sense of absence. Nothing is broken, but something essential is missing. This is what happens when I speak to mid-career professionals and very high position, very highly successful people who feel very empty inside. The second thing to realize is the stabilization trap. Thought movement, when did reliable replaces alive? Mid-careers doesn't collapse, it stabilizes. You learn how to meet expectations so well that you stop checking in. Functioning becomes the goal, fulfillment becomes optional. You no longer think about you becoming yourself. Third thing to consider is the body knows first. Why does my body feel tired even when my calendar looks successful? Before the mind admits misalignment, the nervous system records it. The heart tightens, the breath shortens. Quantum intelligence reveals the body is already preparing for a future you didn't consciously choose. So, take notice how your body is reacting. Fourth is the cost of adaptation. Am I succeeding or surviving elegantly? Most successful people are saying this, but are you surviving elegantly? Years of adaptation create inner resistance. Beliefs for quietly. This is who I must be to stay valued. Leadership becomes heavy, delegations feels risky. Peace feels postponed. The inner shift happens when you ask yourself a question. What if nothing needs fixing, only remembering? The turning point isn't doing more. It's releasing survival patterns as coherence returns between heart and brain, control loosens, identity expands. Leadership begins to breathe again. So here is our process, our method, the revitalex return. What if my next chapter is designed, not endured? Revitalex reframes growth as return. Resilience to unlearn, vision to remember, time to choose intentionally, acceptance to allow evolution, legacy to think beyond self, expansion without exhaustion. These will be the things, the points we will be considering towards creating our new identity, the real, truly me. New forms of impact will be what wants to express itself through me now. From alignment emerge lighter, scalable paths. Teaching, micro consulting, digital assets, partnerships, communities, impact groups. Grain wealth falls, effort decreases as meaning increases. So I invite you to our Sunday session for 45 minutes at 2 p.m. every Sunday. So you will be learning there who am I allowed to become next. The story closes not with answers but space, a gentle call to pause, realign, and step into becoming together. So you don't need another push, you need a quieter signal. Join the Sunday 45 minutes alignment session at 2 p.m. It is a space to reconnect heart, mind, and direction without pressure, performance, or fixing. So, see you there. Hi, good afternoon.